Here I have POCO M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you totally forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds like this. Wait until the screen turns on and you can see POCO logo appeared. After it happens, release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option wipe data, then wipe all data, then confirm, and after that all the data from your device will be wiped, including your photos, videos, music, documents, apps, everything. And lock screen password too. Then you select reboot, reboot to system, and device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.